The last time we did a spec ad, it kind of went like this. I edited that spec ad from start to finish and ended up making main feed video breaking down the whole process after it was complete. But I wanted to take it up a notch. This time around, I created a boxing commercial spec ad, edited it from start to finish live on stream. And this is how we did that.
Piecing it together, that's essentially what the main first phase consists of. So yeah, I always start with my music like infrastructure when piecing together like videos, well, these type of videos specifically. Ooh. Oh, why'd they bait me like that? I thought I was going to come in crazy. I like a slow pace in the beginning type of thing. So I like that. I like that already because it's very, very slow. It's very, very open, and I like that a lot. That works very, very well with voiceovers. Having a track that's open, that has kind of accents that will hit and help you pace. That's what I think works very, very well in the beginning with sports edits, and that have a voiceover or a voice talking. Okay. Okay, so that first drop isn't enough. I feel like it's not enough, so I would not utilize this first drop because it's still building up. Okay. I like it. I like that one though. This one's really cool. I think this might be the winner. Yep. Damn.
The first draft, you just want to dump everything on that timeline and piece it all together. That is the most important thing. You can see it's a lot of chopping and trying and editing and going through the footage. It's a lot of redundant thing, which is not hard. So sprinkle a clip here, sprinkle a clip there. In the end, you should have something. You should have something there. I don't know if it's good. It could be good. It could be bad. But this is what we got.
Yeah, I'm going to add it in between here. Yeah, that goes hard. All right, so it's not for first rough cut. It's good. It's going to get altered. Not saying this is the finalized thing. As we add more stuff to it.
After the first cut, still needed something. What that more was a voiceover. So this is how we recorded that voiceover.
So yeah, you see this mic right here. I just kind of just do this. We're going to try this out 2 different ways. All right, I'm about to enter my acting bag. 3, 2, 1.
People need to understand that no one is playing with marked cards.
I didn't like that. All right, let's try it again.
People need to understand that no one is playing with marked cards.
I can't marked cards. Do it again. 3, 2, 1.
People need to understand that no one is playing with marked cards. Sometimes we win and sometimes we lose. Don't expect...
All right, I like that. 3, 2, 1.
Don't expect to get anything back. Don't expect recognition for your efforts. Don't expect your genius to be discovered or your love to be understood. Complete the circle.
I mean, it's all right. Let's finish it up. 3, 2, 1.
Not out of pride, inability, or arrogance, but simply because whatever it is no longer fits in your life. Close the door, change the record, clean the house, get rid of the dust, stop being who you were and become who you are.
All right, so that's the first take. That's the first take. For now, let's do it one more time, even more raspy.
People need to understand that no one is playing with marked cards. Sometimes we win. Sometimes we lose. Don't expect to get anything back. Don't expect recognition for your efforts. Don't expect your genius to be discovered. Close the door. Change the record. Stop being who you were and become who you are.
Yeah, I think that one was it. Woo! Come on, man. All right, I'm happy with that one.
Oh, that was the third take. And after the third take, I think we had the perfect one. I guess I'm a voice actor now. But that was fun. I'm going to do that a lot more for sure. Now, phase 2. Now I go in and I do the sound design. The way I like to do this with an edit, especially with stock footage where there's no sound at all. So I kind of go through our first cut. I see where a sound is necessary.
And right now, we're just looking up sound effects to fit in the void of the edit. I need some gym ambience. What other ambiences are we gonna need? Let's just do boxing gloves.
Because it's completely mute, this is when you can get creative and really figure out, oh, can I add a sound here? And for this particular edit, I went through the timeline over and over again. It's just a very tedious process of going back and going over again and going through my library and seeing if there needs to be a sound here. There was not much talking in this portion, so that's why you're hearing it more from me. Realistically, just keep going back, repeat. You got YouTube Jerd talking to you right now and not Stream Jerd. So yeah, but great job, Stream Jerd. In the end, we filled out the whole timeline with all the sounds necessary for this edit, and I think phase 2 was very successful, and I think we did the job. We got exactly what we needed and stuff like that.
Yeah, you hear it.
Complete the circle.
I love it. You hear it? That's why the sound design enhances.
Now for the final phase, phase 3.
So I already have an idea of what I want to do for the color grade. We'll do the color grade first. I think this first half until like over here, I think I'm going to do it in black and white. The way I do it without that is make minimum two adjustment layers. One is for like that basic direct 709 and stuff like that, and then the other one is for my LUT. So yeah, so I do like a regular adjustment layers for the majority of the clips, and then if one, because these are not shot the same, these are different clips, and we're also utilizing stock footage, then I go into like specific clips and tweak them myself. I know there's better ways to do so, but I like that. If putting extra time in, I like putting extra time into color grading. I love color grading a lot, so that's why I do it. It's a big part of making a video feel like mine, or my process.
It's all the fun happens now. We've done all the grunge work. We've done the majority of the work necessary to bring this thing to life. So now for my phase 3, this is where I focus on the color grading, effects, transitions, and all the tiny little sprinkles of cheekiness gets put into it. So yeah, I'm a big film kind of effects guy, film burn kind of guy right at this very moment. So you know that is the majority of the effects that I'm gonna use for this particular edit.
Tough. Awesome. So there you have it, ladies and gents. We have completed the boxing commercial. Phase 3 is done.
This is the final result that I came up with. Let me know what you think. People need to understand that no one is playing with marked cards. Sometimes we win. Sometimes we lose. Don't don't expect to get anything back. Don't expect recognition for your efforts. Don't expect your genius to be discovered. Close the door. Change the record. Stop being who you were and become who you are. Complete the circle. This is a concrete series that I want to keep doing moving forward, live on stream, and then also making these recap videos for you guys to complete this series. I hope you enjoyed that. I can't wait for our next one. Our next one is going to be very fun. It's going to be very cool. With that being said, stay safe, always do what you love, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.